Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress for making a website. First, understand that WordPress is a powerful platform, driving over 40% of all websites online. It's incredibly versatile, perfect for everything from a simple blog to a complex e-commerce store or a professional business site. You have two main options: WordPress.com for a hosted experience, or WordPress.org if you prefer to self-host and have full control over your site. Let's dive into getting started. Setting up your WordPress site begins with two crucial steps: choosing a reliable web hosting provider and securing a unique domain name. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making the process incredibly simple and fast. Once installed, you'll complete the initial setup, which involves defining your site title, creating an administrator username, and setting a strong password. This foundation is essential for building a secure and functional website. With these steps complete, you're ready to personalize your online presence. Now for the fun part: customizing your website's design. WordPress offers thousands of themes, which dictate your site's visual appearance and overall layout. You can easily browse and install themes directly from your dashboard. Next, enhance functionality by adding plugins. These small software pieces can do anything from creating contact forms to optimizing your site for search engines. Finally, use the intuitive block editor to build and customize your pages and posts, adding text, images, and other media with ease. This allows for great creative freedom. Before launching, thoroughly review all your content and test every aspect of your site's functionality to ensure a smooth user experience. Once live, ongoing maintenance is key. Regularly update WordPress itself, along with all your themes and plugins, to maintain security and optimal performance. This proactive approach helps protect your site from vulnerabilities and keeps it running efficiently. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, a book can truly change how you think about money. Check the description for a link to a recommended book, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.